The following video features are actually performed by AI-generated software. Therefore, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken seriously. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. As you can see by the title, man, we about to be doing the #1 tune you need to do for your mod parts. I'm gonna get straight into the video for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie. But as y'all can see, man, we got the Chrysler 300 down right here, bro. It's looking crazy in the garage. I ain't gonna lie, don't judge, man. We gotta get a car wash, bro. We ain't get a car wash in like 2-3 weeks since we got spiked.
He is on bullshit. He on all bullshit. He on all bullshit.
You know what I'm saying? I got to drive fast. I ain't gonna lie, garage coming together. I gotta scoot this over so we can fit the second car here, bro. But we finna get something done today on the Chrysler 300 down, bro. So y'all already know summer is right around the corner. So the events, slideshows, whatever, legal pit only, legal pit only, legal pit only, STLPD. That's all I go to.
I hope so.
Y'all doing too much. But anyway, bro, we are about to be doing something. We about to hit the underground tuning right now. Yes, sir! To get the most reliable mod you could do for your car if you're gonna be driving fast or, you know what I'm saying, putting in manual light, you know what I'm saying, slide at legal car shows. And we gonna get straight to the video, man. My boy AJ is right here, man. We about to go head to underground tuning real quick, and I'll see y'all in a second, man.
A few moments later.
Hi, brother.
Sergeant AJ. You're bullshitting, bro. Are you ready for boot camp?
Ooh. Bro, AJ got money, bro. Got 2 cars, bro. The Scattington. Good scatty shaker, man.
Who knows?
Damn.
We got SR keys out there. You know what I'm saying?
That's the one off TikTok.
They're not.
No, it's not. OEM came from the dealership. See the difference? Got it.
Just be capping, bro. That's why you don't got no hat on. See that hat just fell off your head.
Bro, shut up if I get to doing donuts in this bitch.
You won't.
I'm scared. I got PTSD from that shit, bro.
No, that ass. That ass. Hey, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too, man. A lot I be posting on there that I do not post on YouTube, bro. Yeah, I've been missing a lot, man. If you don't follow me on the gram, 300 dog on the gram, bro. And I'm at Scat Man.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
All right, y'all. We done made it to underground tuning. All right, y'all, so we just stopped at the shop, man. Shout out to my boy JJ Peanut Butter, man. We got the 180 thermostat right here, you feel me? We about to go home. Install this real quick. It shouldn't be too hard. Just now leaving, man, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't show y'all too much inside, because I ain't gonna lie, some bills in there getting worked on. God, can't expose the sauce like that for real. But yeah, man, about to head home, install this in. Turn the tune on for the 180 thermostat, man, and should be working, man. But this is the most important thing that you need for your car, honestly, because cars be overheating quickly, especially some right around the corner as well, too, man. So, what you think, AJ, man?
I think it's a great purchase. I think it's a great thing to do for the car, man. Shout out to Underground. Shout out to JJ.
Peanut butter. All right, y'all, we just made it back to the garage, man. As you can see, man, we got the 5.7 hood open, man, the good little hell pup, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're grown as hell, you're 30. Anyway, man, so right here, man, this are about to change, man, the thermostat. Look like 2 13s right here. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what we're about to do. It's cooling in here, AJ said. So, I don't know.
It's possible there will be cooling that's gonna leak,
So what we gonna do?
Let it leak. So I told her. Too old to be doing something like that, bro.
Bro, I didn't even do nothing. You the one that... But anyway, man, we got the electric wrench and everything like that, man. So we're gonna get this 13 and stuff. Can you hold this for me, brother?
Yes, brother.
Raise right up. Do a little 13. Let's see. I feel like I'm about to do a swap. Look at that Hellcat. Guys, he could barely change his oil. Anyway, guys, let's get it. So let's open this up, man. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail too real quick. Hold on. On ski.
Is it dead?
I don't know. No?
Oh! I told y'all, he barely know how to change the oil, bro.
You said that, but I just changed the oil on this bitch, and I gotta change it again because we wasted $100 trip and drove 3,000 miles and wasted $500 worth of gas for no reason.
Yes. Hey.
So,
All right, let's see what you do.
all right, y'all. So we're gonna take these bolts off real quick. You ready? Oh, wasn't that much.
Okay, now you see how it's on there?
Yeah. Do it the same exact way.
I think these supposed to line up with these holes.
All right, you guys. So we got the hose off, as you can see right there. Put that to the side. Not that much coolant came out, so that's good. And we not low on coolant, so I don't know. We don't got to stress about that for real. But here we got right here.
And you can use the old one or you can use this one.
I want to use the new booty. And then I'm pretty sure my boy JJ Peanut Butter gonna send me the tune pretty much, man. Fan should turn on at 180 degrees. Simple as that. Right before the summer too. So make sure, or at least for the 5.7 Chryslers, you kind of want to line it up with the two bolts right here. So it's kind of gonna be diagonal.
You want the hole just right here on the thermostat to be facing up.
Oh my God.
Leave it's 12 degrees clockwise.
You sound like you're ready to swap a car.
I know, brother. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
You got a flathead to pull this up?
Yeah.
Once you change it, and once you change it and tighten everything back up, start your car, run it. Get one of the hose, can spray in your engine bay right there. Like, and clean that little antifreeze and shit off so you don't have that smell.
Okay.
I just don't understand how this hole is supposed to line up on the picture.
That's firework.
No, I said you had it in there, bro. Just put it in there.
So do it.
Yeah, you good, bro.
Live on the car.
I got you good.
At least you can take it. Yeah, hell yeah, this bitch ain't. You had so much left.
Hey, I got it all fast a little bit though. I ain't gonna lie.
Boom, tighten them back up right there. Now what do you say, start the car?
Yeah, but I need to close that for you.
All right, y'all, so we got the thermostat installed. That took maybe 5 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. And then we're gonna let the car run real quick. And then get that tune from Jordan. Okay.
Get my boy to 10,000 on YouTube, man. I don't know if he hit it yet or not. Get my boy to 10,000.
First cold start of the day for you guys. You know what I'm saying? On the cool little 5 300.
One day later.
I'm not gonna lie y'all, the process was hella quick, bro. It took literally 5 minutes to put the new thermostat in, bro. It didn't take that long at all. My boy Jordan shoot me the tune over like an hour later, bro. So we in action right now, you feel me? But I guess we're gonna get a slight POV drive. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. I don't got no burbles on or nothing right now, just... God damn, it seems like it's louder. What the... Jordan, what you put in my car, gang? Why that sound so much louder for me just downshifting, gang? What? That shit felt loud as hell. Why my car feel faster? Why does my car feel fast? Jordan, don't piss me off. JJ Peanut Butter, don't piss me off, dude. Please don't, bro. Why my car just pull like that? Hold on, I can't go too crazy right now, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to really watch that 180 thermostat, man. Bro, my car sounds loud as shit right now, bro. Big ass in my motherfucker, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know that spot over there? Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you know, you know, man. Should I go over there real quick for y'all boys, man? All right, y'all, so we just hit 180 degrees, man. I wonder if it's turning on right now. Bro, my car pulling right now. Oh, it's dropping! Oh, snap! It went to 185 to 183, bro. If it stays right here, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Let me go put that up. If it stays under 200, I'm good. Cause I'm not gonna lie, when I hit it for a long time, bro, I'm not gonna lie. My coolant be saying like 220, y'all. I'm not gonna cap to you. Right now, yo, the fans are working. Y'all see it's falling up. It's going up, then it go down, bro. But as y'all can see, man, the fans is turning on. Look, 186. It's going down again, bro. The fans are working, man, so that's hella good. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, like me pushing it right now, I'm at 200, 210 right now. No cap. Well, with the old stock thermostat without the tune, bro. I definitely need this, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is a good little mod, man. It's definitely a mod you need, bro. Not gonna lie. My car sounds louder, bro. What the fuck? My car is pulling right now for me, bro. Jordan, you must have gave me a little something, gang. I literally can't even, like, cut up for y'all right now, bro. This is actually sick, bro. This morning time in the loop for y'all, though, bro. Morning time in the loop for y'all, bro. I can't really go too crazy right now, bro. Oh my God, everybody driving so slow, man. I'm hella happy though. The coolant not getting over 190, y'all. The coolant is not getting over 190. This is smooth. I'm hella happy with this, man. Shout out to Jordan, man. We got the Underground 2 thermostat. Here it is.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we made it to the car wash right now, man. If you don't know where we at, man, we at the original wash, man. I ain't gonna lie, this is where it all started for me. I ain't gonna lie. This was the first, you know what I'm saying, little meet or whatever takeover at the wash, man. If you know, you know, cuz. Y'all already know where we at, man. A lot of memories here happen here, cuz, for real, though. But as y'all can see, man, we got the 300 down right here, bro. I'm low-key a little upset, y'all. I forgot rags. I forgot all that, because the dirt not coming off. The impound sticker ain't coming off. No matter how hard I grab this bitch, it's on there. So, yeah, I just wasted about $12 for no reason. So, yeah, let me go ahead and rinse it off real quick, and I'll get right back to y'all, no cap. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's dirty as hell. Like, it won't come off. Like, this soap, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna sue the soap company. It ain't doing nothing, gang. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. Let me go ahead and rinse it off, bro. I'm wasting my time at this point. I ain't gonna lie. Literally just wasting my time, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. We probably just go cut up or something right after this and call it a day, but I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it off, bro. Did the dirt fall off? Nope. It's still dirty as hell, y'all. Like, that's bad, bro. Car dirty as hell after getting soap and water on it. But it's lucky my fault. I forgot rags. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, so I kind of wasted my time, as y'all can see right there, man. I ain't even dry it off, bro, because, like, the car's dirty still. So, literally wasting my time, man. Finna just head home, bro. And, probably just cut up for y'all boys a little bit. Like, a little cool little 2-minute cut up session. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna say the POVs. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no pops or nothing like that on right now. That's feds right there that just went by. I ain't gonna go too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna save it for an actual POV video. But y'all see this thermostat actually works. I'm actually very happy with it, not gonna lie. Haven't got over 188. 188 was the highest it got to so far, bro. And I've been driving this whole time, bro. So cool little mod, man. Make sure I get this mod. It's definitely a W mod, man. Shout out to my boy JJ Peanut Butter. He's like, if you gonna start boosting or if you're gonna start doing something to your 5.7, bro, make sure you get your thermostat, man, so it don't overheat, man. It actually works. So I'm hella happy about that. I'm not gonna lie. And y'all comment below, man, what y'all want me to do to the 5.7, bro? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I've done to it already, bro. Y'all let me know in the comments what else y'all want to see with the 5.7. Good little tunnel action. Damn, for police out like a motherfucker, bro. God damn. Police is out, I'm not gonna lie. That motherfucker sound crazy, boy. Golly. That ain't sound sweet, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, man, we finna just head home real quick. hell they doing? It's green and nobody going, bro. What the hell going on? Oh shit. Who that bitch got some... Bro, Jordan, you did something to my... JJ Peanut Butter did something to my car, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Why I feel more torqueier? From a thermostat? He must have added something to the tune or something, cuz. They been feeling a little different now. Uh-oh, 190 was the max. Okay, it went down though. A whole bunch of crazy. Lou was on hot this day, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, it's a cool little day outside though. Me. I feel like I got meta glasses, chat. I'm moving like it's got meta glasses. I ain't got no meta glasses. It's just the camera can. But I need y'all to comment right now, man. I'm finna start giving y'all daily uploads, bro. Not daily uploads, but at least try to do 3 to 4 uploads a week. You know what I'm saying, for y'all, man. Y'all comment below what y'all want to see, bro. 6-1 is almost out the shop. We waiting on some bolts that we ordered. After those come in, man, we set with the 6-1, man. So we gonna build up the 6-1 well a little bit, or fix it up a little bit more. Add a cold air intake, some little stuff to it. I don't know if I want to sell it or buy it yet, man. So we gonna see, bro. Bro, my car's torquey as hell right now. A 5.7 should not be this torquey. Wait till I get a cat. Oh my God. Or the dog. The hell dog. I ain't gonna lie, man. I really want a hell dog, y'all. Y'all give me the 20,000 subscribers, bro. I get a hell dog for y'all boys. Man, I'll build a hell dog for y'all, bro. Give me the 20K subs. That's a promise, bro. 20K subs, I'll build a hell dog for y'all. 20,000 subscribers, bro. Man, this thing sound good, boy. All right, y'all, so we are back in the garage, man. Hey, as y'all can see, the thermostat works very well, man. Y'all definitely need to invest in it, bro. Shout out to JJ Peanut Butter, man. But, yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button, bro. We gonna fix this bumper next, bro. As y'all can see, the bumper's coming off. This is actually gonna be the next mod, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all kind of see it's kind of hanging off, man. We actually got the piece to fix it right there, man. We need something to basically hold this up and make it more flush, bro. Because that's looking crazy as hell, man. But hey, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, if nobody believe in y'all, I do, bro. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. And I'll see y'all next video. No cap, man. Consistent dog on the way. Like I said, man, Hell Dog at 20K subs, bro. Give me the 20K subscribers, bro. Hell Dog on the way for y'all. Got y'all.